Hi guys, so today I wanted to just do a quick little grocery haul. I did order from Walmart Grocery Pickup, which I really like to do. They did substitute 8 of my items today and just omitted 3 altogether, but for the most part I'm generally happy with the items that I do get from there, and I'm definitely happy with not having to walk the store. It definitely saves me money and it's super convenient. So I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of what I got for the week. I think my total bill was about $250. That did include some non grocery items as well as I got a new Instant Pot, which I have been on the fence about getting, so I will show you that in just a bit. So to get started, I am going to start down here at the end. Again, there's that little Instant Pot that I got. They did have it on sale for $59. I thought that was a good price. It's a 6-quart and it's with the Pioneer Women, so it's very, very pretty. And I've only used it to do the eggs so far. I did take it out of the box and I really, really liked it. It was very fast, super convenient. The eggs peeled very nicely. This one in particular comes with a glass lid, a ladle, as well as a rice spoon, and then an instruction manual. So yeah, I'll keep you updated about how I like that, maybe make a video with it. And I did get some Viva paper towels. I got some of these Snack Factory pretzel crisps for my daughter. We do start school this week and she's going to be taking those in her lunch with some guacamole or Nutella. We got some raspberries, some strawberries, a couple of glue sticks. She's a freshman this year, but her teacher did send a list saying that she needed those as well as a scientific calculator, which was just about $10. I didn't think that was too bad. And then these 2 notebooks that she needed for the classroom, which were on sale for 50 cents each. I don't know if you really want to know the prices, but that is what I paid. We are kind of trying to do a lower carb diet in general. My daughter will still take some things that are higher carb, but I did get some sugar-free candies. These were Werther's Originals. I got some sugar-free chocolate by Hershey's, which I've never had, as well as some chewy caramels by Werther's Original as well. I have had the Werther's caramels before and I love them, so we'll see about that sugar-free chocolate. I also got a head of iceberg, a head of cabbage, because I plan to make some sausage and cabbage this week. A couple of Lunchables for my daughter to throw in her lunchbox. A bag full of Roma tomatoes. I do plan to go to the farmer's market, so I'll get bigger tomatoes from there, as well as this pepperoni I picked up for little pizzas. I got some low-carb wraps that I like to make pizzas out of, and I got some feta cheese for my husband. This was a substitution. I usually get something else, but this is fine. I don't need it anyway. I got some little cucumbers. We love those little snack cucumbers, and some Max barbecue pork rinds, which are my favorite. My daughter broke her thermos for soccer, so we got her a new one of those. Some mozzarella cheese for those pizzas. I got some fresh broccoli. It's hard to see in these plastic bags, all of the green, but that's what that is. Just 1 onion. It's one of the sweet Vidalia onions. Those are my favorite. There's the guacamole that I got. I've never tried this brand. I'll let you know what my daughter thinks. I don't really eat it. This is another regular cucumber that I can use for salads. Some green onions, some carrot chips for the guacamole. My daughters both like that. Some green peppers. I think I've got 2 of them in there. They look pretty good. I got a pack of butter. That's 2 pounds, and I really like that butter. I got some smoked sausage for that sausage and cabbage. I got this pork tenderloin. I thought it was a good price, and it is already pre-seasoned. It's the peppercorn and Asiago. I've never had it before, but it looked good, and we are just so busy that it's nice to have items like this that I can just toss in the oven or maybe my Instant Pot. I did get some pork ribs, the baby back rib style. I got some frozen asparagus, which I like to saute in bacon fat and salt, pepper, and garlic. I did get some fresh chicken tenders to use to cook up and throw in salads, as well as a bag of frozen chicken breasts for just some, chicken fajitas. I think I've got chicken tacos on the I meal plan this week as well. I got some Great Value whipping cream. This was a substitution as well. I typically get a smaller container because we don't go through that much, but they substituted for the larger container. Sliced strawberries for smoothies. I did get another plain pork tenderloin because I'm going to make some Russian Bay pork. That's what we call it. We had it when we were in Greece at a place called Russian Bay in Poros, and I've made my own rendition of it. I think I'm going to make a video to show you how I make that. It's really, really good. It's like a lemon, garlic, olive oil sauce, and it's really yummy. Here's some Parmesan cheese. Again, this is another substitution. I usually buy the 8-ounce package, but they gave me the 16-ounce, so that was an upgrade. Some ranch seasoning. We like to sprinkle this on veggies or popcorn. I also got some large black olives. My oldest daughter will eat the entire can herself. Some pizza sauce for those pizzas I spoke about earlier. It's so easy to put down a low-carb tortilla, put a little bit of sauce on it, top it with some cheese and some pepperoni and peppers, and it's a really good pizza alternative. I did get some traditional pasta sauce. My daughter likes to toss some pasta every now and again for a snack or lunch if we're out of the house. I got some ranch, the Great Value Walmart brand ranch is fantastic. I got some Thousand Island salad dressing for Big Mac salads that I plan to make this week. And then I got this beef summer sausage. I think this was a substitution as well. I think I'd put the Johnsonville and they gave me the Hillshire Farms, which is fine. I don't have a preference that I know of. And then my daughter is obsessed with these body armor drinks. Whoops. First I got this Mio energy drink. My oldest daughter put this in the cart. We do family Walmart grocery app, so basically everybody puts what they want in the cart each week, and I'll go through and either approve or deny their requests. And then I like to use these water enhancers. These have the electrolyte balance in them, and especially when we are converting to a lower carb, when we get those electrolytes a little out of balance, that does help take the edge off. Now back to these body armors. Is anybody else's kids completely obsessed with this quote unquote super drink? I'm not so sure. I'm a big fan. I haven't really even looked at the ingredients. I just know that we are spending $2 a pop at the gas station, so I thought I would stock up on a few of them for my daughter for after our soccer games. She's pretty exhausted and depleted, and it's a nice little treat for her to have, if nothing else. But yeah, I got several different flavors, and I think they were $1.25 each. I also got some Powerade, which we always get the Powerade Zero, and some Herbal Essence conditioner. The Powerades were a substitution as well. Some Clear Eyes, some disposable gloves I like to use when I'm handling raw meats, and I got some laundry detergent. I also got these little street taco mission tortillas for my daughters. They like to make little wraps to dip in guacamole or ranch, and that pretty much completes my haul. I was pretty quick going through that haul. I hope that you were able to catch everything that I did get. I would like to share a meal list with you, what my food plan is. If you're interested in seeing my meal plan, just let me know, and we'll talk next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.